This week on the 1960 Chevy, we removed all the door mechanisms, windows, channels, etc., to repair all that because this car came from California and it has no tinted windows. So they rolled the windows up and down a lot on this, and this thing gets to be like a greenhouse and it's really hot. So subsequently, the mechanisms are worn out and we took them out to repair them. That's number one. Number two, there was no rod on this car, and that's a great thing, but we want to keep it that way. So what I did was stripped the bottom of the door where the pinch weld is, and also inside the door on the bottom of the door, and gave it a good treatment of POR 15, and that will keep this door nice. So just need to weld a small area here where the factory pinch weld came off, and this pinch weld I don't think ever even moving right along here with the 1960 Chevy. Today I shot the doors just around the area where the felt is going to go. Up here the moldings are going to go, all where the weather strip is going to go, underneath the door in one of the death areas. This was coated yesterday with POR 15. Today I shot it with a product called Chameleon 488. Excellent stuff. I used it in the trunk. It's a primer. It's an acrylic primer, and I'm going to top coat this later on with the color of my choice, which is going to be ermine white. But for now, this is sealed up and painted and primer and protected. Stay tuned. The last part of this project, of course, was to top coat the door, the inside of the door, which we did, and then also two-tone it with the accent color. Stay tuned. And here is the finished product. Key in, lock operates, door open, new door panel, weather stripping and drip rail. This weird little drip rail that these cars have that brings the water down like this. Painted all around under the door, around the door, jam, rubbers, door handles, mechanisms. There you have it.